when sponsoring a spouse, how important is the prior year gross income for the affidavit of support? Well, it's not necessarily gross. It could be adjusted gross income or your total income. It's a little bit different from gross, but I don't think it's that important. But in my experience, they've really only focused, and who knows when their Trump one's going to change. But in my experience, when cases I filed, they're primarily looking at your current income to show that you're going to continue making that money while you're married to support your spouse. However, I brought this up with other lawyers before, and they have told me, no, we've had tough times where they said, well, last year you didn't make this money. I haven't seen that issue be a problem. I might have been lucky. Preferably, you are making money, but you never know. So the answer is, it's not a good answer. I typically file these. I never worried about filing these, but I have heard attorneys say it's been a big deal. I just have never dealt with that. Most of the time, my clients who just start making money is because they just graduated from college or graduate school, so they have a reason for not being in the workforce. That's the majority of my clients, for example, are UCLA medical students who just graduated, UCLA law students, college students. They fell in love with the classmate, got married. So we say, okay, this person just graduated, and once they graduate, they're probably making good money. That's the typical client that I have. So I haven't had those extreme issues either way. But if you're worried, the thing to do is to try to find a joint sponsor to help. That may be the way to bolster the case.